If you've lost sending privileges on Snapchat, follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your Snapchat account and check for any notifications or alerts regarding your account status. If there are any restrictions, they will usually be indicated here. Step 2. Review community guidelines. Familiarize yourself with Snapchat's community guidelines to understand what behaviors may have led to the loss of privileges. Ensure that your previous actions comply with these guidelines moving forward. Step 3. Appeal the decision. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for Snapchat's response. This process may take some time, so check your email regularly for updates regarding your account status. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up with Snapchat support. Provide your account details and reference your previous appeal to expedite the process. By following these steps, you can work towards restoring your sending privileges on Snapchat. Remember to adhere to the platform's guidelines to avoid future issues.